what you maybe penny more, maybe tell flower, oh, yes, ye. Ah,
but
what do you mean? I say, Bianana.
Pacho, fetch him.
Ah,
McCann and a baby auntie.
Me patch eno. Hey, maybe mem never do my sow. Ahana old bunny say, any party thrown a baha.
Eh,
Mini says for Mobaha. A soldier from Penufona, or Mobaha Beje Bambo, any Yarisa. So be quababo, none in name of a hayana mechiremano. Now say, A.K.A. no Ronaldo. Say, can I now yatichima? I'm the neighbor, as a Mojani dear Nimu. No, me son Yari.
eh, and not too for bar.
Ah, it's my a woman of Muja Mwati.
For child fetch him.
Ah, and son I may found I may do it, may church or may you my mail. Maybe say one can send me qualification, would be a human.
But just then qualification.
Qualification.
But I'm mental you.
May come receive.
Oh, but I'm because I'm native or what I'm certain need seed or what, like I said, I'm young as I'm
Ah,
only baby, I be able to I be famine. You want to minute down or one with them.
ah, I rent it, baby Aboko, dear.
No, but to be a boko.
Why do you move the whole fine?
Pochonio.
You. Oko school, Gakra.
Pochonio. School them could do it.
Oko school, do you say?
Oh, I'm coming. Because could do it, Papa.
I drew a chili power.
Pochonio.
With me, we are more as snibby.
Oh, I'm coming.
Sir,
Pochonio.
it's Oko, do you say?
Pochas then.
Oko, do you say?
Could do a. Me do a JSS1. JSS1 and me jai.
Ah, Nigeria just one hour, see Oko school, do a chilling.
I some a matter a mofeman. Me tell mofeman.
Yes, when I now you're cobolo,
Oh,
now pay school,
oh.
We will be a mamma cemetery wunty, now yen ya wow pemeboa. Ah, a time a bass for bridging us now that one. So, ah,
Oh, Holu.
ah, to bro for cacra.
Oh, me to blow for Papa.
What a bro for?
Pochonio.
Ah, bro for Bahao. And Titobia one now, no moving como.
And the man, Papa.
Hey, any away idea.
I bet me could school na English na subject.
Sir,
Pochonio.
and you may so here and son of my Joe. So to the American, I say.
Pochonio.
Aye, now say they be a buy, and then ministers a crying to Minka. I want to two papas.
Oh,
Aye,
and on my bone.
my bon papa, Muna wa ba with this case, no.
Ah,
And they say this one, if you are. It will become a mate, so it's me can't be an essay. Would them through do?
and the mitmaka.
Aha, until they can. A national anthem, and the mamma what?
National anthem.
Aye,
National anthem.
national anthem.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. Go to be fair forever, the cross of freedom and the flag. Freedom marches going, ways to make a sharing all the sea, and help us to reach its a present so before the way, and my forevermore.
Ah, national anthem now, what can I say?
Aye, Olu.
Ah, and your own phone so. Ministers of Crow, more about Mudisica case, Binti Minka. And you can a pledge in an MNTA. Why?
No, President Kamaki read that.
And not quite in it all.
Aye.
Oh, and you come on what?
Ah, but I promise. I promise. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. And I pray myself to earn my friends on my heart. And I promise to all honesty to the black and true of my fathers. And I promise myself in all my heart. And the following to all honesty to the black and true of my fathers. And all my heart. And I promise to honesty in the heart and the amen.
Ah, you have done very well, eh?
I tell you.
And it's a bro from the back. Olomo and a bedil.
Metum no my daily dread.
Matias, you went to quite sure baby, I'm cast a pra, what you wait, Marco. Now, also, Dina Gassade, what is your name?
What is my name? My name is Kofi Mintim.
Kofi
Mintim. In school.
In school?
Yeah.
You are called Kofi Mintim?
Yeah.
Who is your biological father?
Biological father. Biological father is my best friend. It's my best friend.
Your best friend?
Yeah, my best friend.
It's your biological father?
Yeah, it's my biological father.
So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is benku and okra soup.
So you came here by foot or by car?
Please, I came here for driving.
You came here for driving?
Please, yes.
I don't understand you. I don't get you. So, where is your hometown?
My hometown?
Yes.
My hometown is in Nyarko.
In Nyarko?
Yes.
From which region?
Central region, Cape Coast.
Central region?
Cape Coast.
Who is the president there?
President there?
Yeah.
The president, we don't have president with Cape Coast.
So do you know the president of Ghana?
I will confuse. It's Nana Akufo-Addo.
Yeah. Do you know him personally?
I don't know him personally.
Yeah. So did you vote for him?
Yeah.
For what reason?
For helping me.
For helping you?
Yeah.
Have you seen him before?
No, I didn't see him, but I see anytime. I try to see him in TV.
In what?
TV.
In TV?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you know his vice president?
Vice president. Yeah, I know his vice president.
What is his name?
The vice president is Baron Bamia.
You say?
Baron Bamia.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Who is the president's wife?
It's called First Lady. Yeah.
First lady.
First lady.
Wow. And the vice president's wife?
Second lady.
A second lady.
Yeah.
And the chief justice's wife?
Third lady.
A third lady. Yeah. And the assemblyman's wife?
Fourth lady.
A fourth lady. Wow. Congratulations.
Thank
Congratulations.
You.
Yeah. So can you spell me congratulations?
Congratulations.
Yeah.
But I'm sick.
You see?
Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
COW. Congratulations. NT. Congratulations. 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 WTO. Congratulations.
Oh, I think it's a very big word, so I will give you a small insect. Mosquito.
Mosquito.
Yeah, very, very small. So I think you can spell it.
Yeah. Oh, I can spell mosquito. Mosquito. MMTO. It's mosquito. It's a small word.
Yeah. So you can't spell it. So spell it.
8. IS8.
What?
IS8.
What?
IS8.
I can't hear you.
I say IS8.
Yes.
8.
8.
IS8. IS8. IS8.
Talk is cheap when you mean nothing.
It's Mayo on the mic.
Myself. Yeah, we're going up in unity as a mum. Then so we to me to say what crabo. It be God from day one. Say no anga wine granny or jeffo. You for pray for some long life, hey. Who won't want you get to Charlie. Near will be any your no idea. To believe me, say you will make come one day. Oh, there was a come here, there was a come. Nyame. Oh, there was a come here, there was a come. Nyame. Oh, the ones I come here, the ones I come. Nyame. Oh, the ones I come here, the ones I come. Nyame. Oh, the ones I come.
Baba God, where they bless we yo. You know feed to the stress we yeah. Baba God, where they make man shine. You know feed to they understand. Baba God, where they bless we yo. You know feed to the stress we yeah. Baba God, where they make man shine. You know feed to they understand. I like a this, I like a that. Man shine. You know fit to they understand. I like a this, I like a that. To the left, to the right, to the depth, to the dent. Yeah, hits me with the mic. I like a this,